equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips head screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a clean workspace. First, power off your HP 15DA0031NS and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical damage during this process. Next, flip the laptop over and locate the battery release latch. Slide it to the unlock position and remove the battery. This step is essential for your safety. Now, using the Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to use excessive force, as this could damage the clips. With the panel removed, you'll see the RAM slots. If you're upgrading, you may need to remove the existing RAM module. To do this, gently push the clips on either side of the RAM stick until it pops up at an angle. Carefully pull it out and set it aside. Now, take your new RAM module. Align the notch on the RAM with the slot in the motherboard. Insert the RAM at a 30-degree angle and press down firmly until the clips click into place. Ensure it's seated properly to avoid any issues. Before reassembling, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and heat sinks. This will help maintain optimal performance and prevent overheating. Now, replace the back panel by aligning it correctly and pressing down until you hear the clips snap into place. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight, as this could strip the threads. Next, reinsert the battery and slide the latch back to the lock position. Power on your laptop and enter the BIOS by pressing F10 during startup. Check if the new RAM is recognized. If it is, you're all set. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get professional help. Our service includes a professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can be sure of what you need before proceeding. Once you've confirmed the RAM is detected, exit the BIOS and boot into your operating system. You should notice improved performance, especially when multitasking or running memory-intensive applications. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring transparency in our services. No calls, no travel, just a simple, efficient solution to your tech needs. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.